Well, thank you everybody for joining us. It's a delight to see you. And I have to say, this is one of the most pleasurable parts of my job, to be able to present the annual Tess Jowell Fellowship. Dean Williams, I'm very pleased to introduce to you our 2022 candidate, Jowell Tuvera.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning and congratulations. Let me just do a little bit here to talk a bit about the Tess Jowell Fellowship. I'm delighted that hopefully in the next hour, Honorable Leah Tadessa, Minister of Health of Ethiopia, will join us in this celebration. I anticipate that she'll log in any minute now, but let me just say a little bit about Baroness Jowell. Baroness Jowell had a lifelong commitment to public health and public service, serving 23 years in the British House of Commons and serving as the UK's first ever Minister of State for Public Health before going on to spearhead the wildly successful London 2012 Olympics. Tessa was a founding advisory board member for the Harvard Ministerial Leadership Program and mentored many of the government leaders from Africa participating in the program. I'd also say that she mentored many of the faculty who engaged with her during her presence here on campus. That's just a kind of generous spirit that she was. The fellowship honors her contribution to the program, as well as her enthusiasm in sharing the depth of her public leadership experience with successive cohorts of ministers. And shortly before her untimely death from brain cancer, Tessa served as a Menschel Fellow here at the Harvard Chan School campus, and she cared sincerely about the mission of the school and the essential importance of our work in global health leadership. In fact, in the months before her death, we were conspiring to develop a maternal and child health program. That was one of her personal and professional passions. It's a pleasure for me to be able to present this fellowship named in Tess Jowell's honor to the 2022 recipient, Jowell Tuvera. Dr. Tuvera is a medical graduate of Ethiopia's Jimma University, and in his relatively short career has already made extensive contributions to public health in Ethiopia, working as a physician, as well as in the Federal Ministry of Health, the World Health Organization in Ethiopia, and also the Clinton Health Access Initiative. Jowell Tuvera is currently enrolled in the Doctor of Public Health program at the Harvard Chan School, and this fellowship is going to support his doctoral research, examining the potential for upscaling Ethiopia's nascent telehealth services. The research will not only help inform the adoption of innovative technologies for increasing health service access in Ethiopia, but it will also be of importance for other African countries faced with similar health access challenges. Okay, and I'd like to turn it back over to you, Michael.
Thank you, Michelle, so much. So, Jowell, congratulations. Would you like to make some comment?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm so honored. This got me on surprise. I really appreciate this opportunity. Coming to Harvard was a dream come true for me, especially growing up in the rural parts of the country where I saw enormous public health challenge. And coming here to nest the knowledge and going back home and serving better capacity is what I've been aspiring. And this fellowship is going to give me that opportunity, especially exploring the telehealth use in this time of pandemic and when my country is now being challenged in another problem of like internal war. especially working as COVID case management and facility readiness, I saw the impact of COVID on essential services such as maternal child care. So I believe it is time for us to explore telehealth, utilize this opportunity. Majority of the world is utilizing now, and this fellowship is going to give me that chance of looking into it and possibly collaborate much better with the Ministry of Health. The ministry is also interested in this area, and it will help me finish what I started in August 2021. And thank you very much. It is really an honor.
Great. Anybody else like to make some remarks? Rick, Jocelyn, Rafat?
Yeah, I'd be glad to. So Jocelyn and I and the entire DRPH program, Hailu, are just so pleased and so much looking forward to your doctoral project. And it's been a pleasure for us to get to know you, and really look forward to supporting you in your quest and addressing some of the challenges in Ethiopia. So congratulations.
Yes, and from me, Hailu, as well, congratulations. This is an incredible achievement. And Tess herself was, as Dean Michelle Williams has said, was a visionary, and I'm sure your scholarship and you in person will be able to fulfill her vision. And she was instrumental in setting up one of the most successful programs for children in the UK, which is still continues to date. And you join good company in terms of illustrious students and leaders we've had from the school, from Ethiopia, and we look forward to the project, the learnings from it for Ethiopia and also for beyond, because what Ethiopia has been able to achieve in relation to health system reform has been really instrumental in informing development of health system reforms in other countries, including for health extension workers and other initiatives. So quite remarkable achievements to which your contribution will be an addition.
All right, great. Jocelyn, you want to say something?
Yeah, I just wanted to say we celebrate you, Hailu. I know that it's not been an easy year leaving family and loved ones in Ethiopia, knowing that there is sort of challenges in the home front there, but you've stayed with the program, and this is an amazing award for you to bring back those yourself and the resources back to your home country. So congratulations.
Thank you. So Hailu, on behalf of the Harvard Ministerial Program, I want to say how excited we are to be able to support you and to work with you over the next year. So we will see a great deal of you over the coming months, and we look forward to that very much.
Michael, if I may, I just want to make a commitment for us to try to get together sometime this spring. I think it would be a real important opportunity to connect you with some of our other faculty members who would be very supportive. I am thinking, Rick, that it would be lovely for Trishan Panch and Hailu to spend some time together to talk about digital transformation. And I don't know, Jocelyn, if you know, but I've been in communication with Nancy Turnbull about a new MPH student who will be joining us in the fall, who is the #2 leader for the Ministry of Health in India for digital transformation. And I've already been speaking with him in the context of South-South collaboration for digital transformation in the Global South, along with some of our colleagues, including an alum of the Harvard Ministerial Program, Mohammed Pateh. So I think there is a convergence, if you will, around digital health transformation, both in the US, in India, and now with your work on the continent in Ethiopia. And I think there might be real opportunity to bring together all of these groups so that a conversation can be had and sharing of scholarship can be facilitated. So I'm going to ask my colleague in the Dean's office, Marcia Lee, to help us find a time for some sharing.
So Michelle, I'll be talking to Tristan this afternoon. Is it okay if I mention this to him?
Please do, please do. I'd really like to put together a bit of a working group that brings these assets and scholars together.
Will do.
I also, that's a great idea, Michelle, thank you. And the incoming Menschel Fellow, Kelechi Ohiri, who's going to be there during the spring semester, was Dr. Pate's special advisor.
Mm-hmm.
And he continues to work on health systems strengthening in Nigeria, including using technology and other related innovations. And he's just a really great guy. He's also a
Wonderful.
school alum.
So let's try to find the time to gather this brain trust.
Yeah,
Yes.
the forces are aligned for you, Hailu.
Yes.
All right, excellent. Well, thank you everybody so much. Thank you, Michelle. It's great to see you. And Hailu will be in touch with more details shortly.
Fantastic.
Thank you. All the best.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.